The purpose of this tutorial is to give you an overview of a Google app called LucidChart. LucidChart is an online flowchart, diagram, graphic organizer, and mind mapping tool. It allows for multiple users to contribute to the same document simultaneously, and it syncs to your Google Drive account, allowing you to export your projects. To get started, open up your Chrome browser and go to lucidchart.com. From there, click on the Sign In button in the top right corner. Before entering a username and password, select the button listed below that says "or sign in with Google." After clicking on this button, you will need to log in with your Google email address and password. Then you will be asked to fill in the single sign-in box with just your username and password. Once you open up your LucidChart account, you'll be taken to your main dashboard, where all of your previously created LucidChart diagrams will be saved. To get started with a new one, click on the orange Create button and select Create New Document. The nice thing about LucidChart is it includes many templates for various types of flowcharts, diagrams, and graphic organizers. You can select from any of the categories listed on the right, or go to all categories to see all of the different types of diagrams that are available for you to pick from. If you want to, you can use one of the pre-created templates to create your diagram or flowchart, or you can select the blank template at the top. I'm going to select a basic mind map for my demonstration. It'll ask you if you want to upgrade for more features, but there are plenty of features already available in the free account. So here, you can turn off restricted features if you would like to continue using the free account. Once you open up a template or a blank flowchart board, you'll see a number of tools that are available for you to use. On the left, where it says Standard, you'll see multiple tools that are available to you for you to use. The T option allows you to add text that isn't constrained to a text box. The white square button will allow you to add a text block. You can change the color of this block depending on your preferences. There's also a sticky note option and a hotspot, which will allow you to link to a page, website, or email. Under Flowchart, you have a number of different shaped tools that you can add to your diagram, as well as containers below. If you created a mind map template or another type of template page, a lot of these options will show up automatically for you in the middle, and you can modify them according to your liking. For example, anytime that you hover over one of these boxes, below you will see an option that looks like a cross where you can begin adding a line, and it will connect to a new box where you can type in additional content. Simply double-click where it says New Idea and begin typing your content in the space below. If you want to, at any point, you can click on this box and you can change the color of it. In this case, if I click on the eye, I'll be able to change the level colors for this diagram. In other cases, you will see the option to change the fill color here above. If I'm going to add a hotspot like this, it will allow me to choose an action and decide if I'd like to link to a page, an external link, or an email. And I can paste the link here. Press Done when I'm ready. It asks you to press Shift, Control, and click in order to follow this external link once it's been included in your diagram. If you'd like to work on this document with another person, you can click on the Share button in the top right corner. Here, you can invite users using the new invitation through email and type in their email addresses. If you would to use this with students, I would recommend generating a link that can be accessed multiple times and then decide which permission level you'd like to give students. can view, can comment, can edit, or is the owner. Once a link is generated, I would send this link to your students through their Gmail accounts. The reason being, in some cases, the LucidChart emails are getting blocked by our content filter. But giving the students a link that's been generated here directly through their Gmail account from your Gmail account bypasses this. Once they access this link, they will be able to edit the document collaboratively. All changes are automatically saved in LucidChart, but if you'd like to publish your finished product and export it to your Google Drive account, you can go to File and click where it says Export to Google Drive. From here you can decide if you want this to be a PDF or a JPEG or even a PNG file and export that finished product to your Google Drive account. This tutorial has been intended to show you LucidChart, which allows you to create flowcharts, diagrams, graphic organizers, and mind mapping charts on your Chromebook or other device.